Hello, welcome back to my channel. On my last tutorial, we learned about sketching basics, unit setting and line tool. You can find the links of my previous tutorials in the description below. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about rectangle. So let's start. First select any plane, select sketch. Now select the rectangle sketch entity from the sketch command manager tab. In the property manager on our left, you can see the desired rectangle types. Each one shows point with numbers which represent the order of clicks need to make the rectangle. There are two main types of rectangle, corner rectangle and center rectangle. Plain corner and center rectangles on top give you rectangle that have both vertical and horizontal sides. The bottom three types allow you to pick the orientation of the rectangle as well. You can find these options in this drop down also. So first one is corner rectangle. For that, left click for first point, drag your cursor, left click, second point. Next option is center rectangle. Click the center point, drag your cursor, second point. Next option is 3-point corner rectangle. You can align this rectangle. So first point, second point, third point. You can see you can orient the rectangle. Next option is 3-point center rectangle. You can start this rectangle from center, first point, second point, third point. Last option is parallelogram. You can see from the icon, first point, second point, third point, which decides the angle of the parallelogram. Third point. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in next tutorial.